Everybody, give it a shot here. Open up the wall mount. Yep, and I'm gonna throw it in. I want it up above these two monitors. Have a little space up above there, so put it on there for $13. I don't think I can go wrong. Whew. So I want to put that monitor up above there. So I grabbed a zircon stud finder. Went up on the wall here and just held the button in. Kept coming along, and voila, it goes to the outside of the beam. Come over here, where's the other side? Keep coming along. Oh, there's the other side of the beam. So I kind of generally got it right in the middle there. Put in a hole here and a hole here. I used my trusty Ryobi, however you want to pronounce it. Right? Ryobi drill. Right, put in two holes. All right, I've got part A. If you notice those little grooves on the top, I'm going to put those on the top, not like this, not on the bottom. We've got two holes, and we're getting there, right? We're going to put this up there. All right, and with the right tool, it goes in a lot faster, than the tool that they gave me, of course. Now this right here will probably fly off and fall behind everything. Anyway, and it's so easy. I had my wife do it. With the right tool, that's perfect. All right, I'm putting part B on the back of a flat TV here, right? Flat. Now, if I need to adjust this bracket here, they give you a little bracket here. I can straighten it out and whatever. So just want to let you know, got that part on B, and I'm getting ready to put it up there on top of those two monitors. All right, with those two prongs right there, they just kind of go right up. Pretty nice. All right, as you can see, I've got one monitor up above my other monitors. It is adjustable. I mean, I could have it flat against the wall there like I want. And I still might move it over a little bit and center it up. It's kind of a strange shaped room, so. All right, uploading the new software. And oh yeah, by the way, I've got this nice stand that goes in and out, portable. It's another WALI clamp on. Nice, solid, adjustable. Tilts, does it all. Anyway, I'm getting there. Studio's kind of a mess right now. But. All right, so I got the $13 RAM up there, and that's about it.